Salam sejahtera and salam pelikuh sayang. We are from Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak are going to do a presentation about fire safety plan that we have conduct at Majma Mall Kuching Sarawak. So before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nolan Anak Rosman and my matrix number is 1003. And this is my fellow friends, Muhammad Zahid Mustaqim bin Hasri, Nadira Isnatu Shafira binti Zulkifli, Nur Alia Natasha Abang Meluan, and the last one is Dana Anak Dobin. So this is table of content for our presentation today. For the first one, we are going to tell you about the introduction on why this case study is important to increase the safety level at every building. The second one is the overview. It is for our location, which is what the reason we do the case study there. The evidence that we have conduct our research, conclusion about the research that we have done in our project, and the last one is reference on how we get that much information from.
Hi, my name is Nur Natasha and my registration number is 05DKA22F1104 and I will start my part with this introduction. Fire safety is the set of practices intended to reduce the destruction caused by fire. Fire safety measures include those that are intended to prevent the ignition of an uncontrolled fire and those that are used to limit the development and effects of a fire after it starts. Fire safety measures include those that are planned during the construction of building or implemented in structures that are already standing and those that are taught to occupants of the building. Threats to fire safety are commonly referred as fire hazards. Fire hazards may include a situation that increases the likelihood of a fire or may impede escape in the event of a fire may impede escape in event of a fire occurs. Fire safety is often a component of building safety. Those who inspect buildings for fire violations of the fire code and go into schools to educate children on fire safety topics are fire department members known as fire prevention officers, the chief the chief fire prevention officer or chief of the prevention will normally train newcomers to the fire prevention division and may also conduct inspections or make presentation. Okay, project overview. The place we have decided to do as our research study is Majma Mall, which is located at Jalan Piramli, based in Kuching, Sarawak. Our purpose in carrying out this project is to study the safety of buildings if it is diseased by fire. Fire safety planning prevents the occurrence of fire by the control of fire hazards in the building, ensures operation of fire protection system by establishing the maintenance procedures and provides a systematic methods of safe and orderly evacuations of the building in the event of fire. Okay, for the next part is emergency door. For the emergency door, as you can see in the picture, it is shown that the emergency door is located located in the corner of the building in each floor. In each floor, maybe at least have about 5 emergency doors. The emergency door is usually located nearly to the lift area.
Hi, I'm gonna continue this slide. My name is Nadira Zadu Shafira binti Zulkifli and my registration number is 1997. Today I'm gonna present about emergency plan. Emergency plan is to make it easier for the public to know where the safe place in the event of a fire. So for your information, every mall must have this emergency plan to prevent fire. From this plan, we will know where is the fireman lives, stairs, hose reel, and of course fire extinguisher. So the next slide is fire assembly point. Fire assembly point is a safe place to gather when there's emergency occur. It should be well known and clearly marked to provide an easy location during the emergency. It also allows people to calm down from the stressful procedure and for anyone who needs an area to receive medical attention. So this is in this slide, this is the fire assembly point and is located on the first floor of the building. So in this slide, I will explain about fireman's leave. Fireman leave is used by firefighter in emergency. It also used to bring the equipment to the scene of a fire with the minimum amount of time and effort. The fireman leave also located on every floor and it easy to find.
Hi. Before I start the presentation, my name is Muhammad Zain Mustaqim bin Hasri and my matrix number is 05DKA22F1076 and I will explain about fire safety equipment that should be in a building. So, what is fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher is a portable or movable apparatus used to put out a small fire by directing onto it a substance that cools the burning material, deprives the flame of oxygen, or interferes with the chemical reactions occurring in the flame. For your information, there are six types of fire. Class A fire caused by combustible carbon-based solids such as paper, wood, or textiles. Class B fire caused by flammable liquids, example paraffin, petrol, diesel, or oil, but not all cooking. Class C fire caused by flammable gas, example butane, propane, or methane. Class D fire caused by burning metals, example aluminium, lithium, or magnesium. For Class E fire is fire caused by electrical equipment. And the last one is Class F, fire caused by fats and cooking oils. For fire extinguisher, they also have six types of fire extinguisher. Number one is fire extinguisher is water fire extinguisher. They have a red label and a class A rating. They are suitable for fighting fires involving solid combustible such as wood, paper, and textiles. Number two is AAF foam fire extinguisher. They have a cream label and are highly effective on a class A and class B fires. Number three is a carbon dioxide extinguisher that have a black label. They were originally designed for use on flammable liquids fire and therefore have a Class B fire rating. For number four is ABC powder extinguisher that have a blue label. They were versatile and can be used on Class A, Class B, Class E, and Class C. For number five is fire extinguisher water mist that have a white label and are highly effective on Class A, B, C, and E. And the last one is wet chemical fire extinguisher that have a yellow label and are designed specially for use on fires involving combustible cooking media such as burning oil and fat. Fire hose. What is fire hose? Fire hose is a high pressure hose that carries water or other fire retardant to a fire extinguisher. In outdoors, it attaches either to a fire engine, fire hydrant, or portable fire pump. In indoors, it can permanently attach to a building's standpipe or plumbing system. The specification of the fire extinguisher hose for this shopping center is this fire extinguisher hose was made in 2012. The length of this fire extinguisher hose is 30 mm length and 25 mm diameter, while the maximum pressure for this fire extinguisher hose is 1.2 MPa. Did you know what is fire sprinkler? Fire sprinkler or sprinkler head is the component of a fire sprinkler system that discharges water when the effects of a fire have been detected, such as when a predetermined temperature has been exceeded. In building protected by properly designed and maintained fire sprinkler, over 99% of fires were controlled by fire sprinkler alone. The typical sprinkler head consists of a plug held in place by a trigger mechanism. The most common type of Twiga is a glass ampoule filled with a glycerin-based liquid that expands when heat 155 degree. As soon as the trigger mechanism is hit to the required temperature, it trips and the water is released.
I will present about fire water pipe, especially for fire department use. Firefighting pipe are used in automatic sprinkler system and other water system that stop fire. These pipes are usually painted in red to make it easy for firefighters and other individuals to identify them and to separate them from other water system. Emergency fire alarm to warn the public that there is a fire. A fire alarm system warns people when smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, or other fire-related or general notification emergency are detected. These alarms may be activated automatically from smoke detectors and heat detectors or may also be activated via manual fire alarm activation device such as manual call points or pull station. Alarm can be either motorized bells or wall-mountable sounders or horns. Water piping system to flow the water to fire hose and sprinklers. Water piping system to supply of fire water. This can come from storage tanks, a firewater lagoon, or a natural body of water such as the sea or a lake or river. A pumping system that provides a sufficient flow of water to extinguish the fire. A hidden network of pipe, often in the form of a ring, meant that transfers the water from the pump to the fire. Hydrants, nozzles, sprinklers, or other local device for directing the fire water to the location of the emergency.
Thank you, Dana, for the presentation just now. So now it's my turn to present about the conclusion for our project today. The conclusion is that the authorities need to provide high security for the public, especially when there is a fire and emergency that occur, so that no unplanned and unwanted chaotic situations which threaten health and cause loss of property can happen. In addition, emergency instructions need to be explained more specifically to the public so that the public knows what actions to take in the event of an emergency. And the last one is with the security facilities that have been provided by the authorities, we can minimize the risk of death or loss of property when an emergency occurs. So this is the last contents for our presentation today. We have get the information from Mashma Mall, Jalan Pelamli, Kuching, Sarawak that we have conduct on our own. Other than that, we also get the guidance from our lecturer, Sir Tang Hing Kwong, from subject OSH, Occupational Safety and Health. Other than that, we also get information from the internet in the link below. So that's all from our team. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you guys like our video.